Traveling professionals and students need convenience, durability, and style when carrying their devices. The best rolling laptop bag combines smooth mobility, organized compartments, and protective padding, making it the perfect companion for work trips, school, or daily commuting with ease. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Alpine Swiss Rolling Laptop Bag. The Alpine Swiss Rolling Laptop Bag is a stylish and functional choice for business travelers and professionals who need durability combined with organizational efficiency. Designed as a TSA-approved carry-on, it measures 19 inches by 14 inches by 9 inches, making it a convenient size for overhead compartments. Inside, the padded laptop section securely holds laptops up to 17 inches, ensuring protection from scratches and impacts. Its main compartment is intelligently divided with a file section, while the flap-over organizer includes a card slot, pen slots, and a small zipper pocket for quick access to essentials. For added utility, the front pocket expands by 2 inches and features a secure button latch, perfect for documents and accessories. Side pockets provide additional storage for items like chargers or small notebooks. What makes this rolling laptop case stand out is its strong, hard-sided frame that guarantees durability, while the smooth inline skate wheels and telescopic handle make travel effortless. Safety is enhanced with dual combination locks that can be individually set, offering peace of mind when carrying sensitive documents or expensive electronics. The leatherette finish adds a professional look without compromising practicality. Weighing less than many larger travel bags, but capable of holding up to 44 pounds, this case offers the balance of sturdiness and mobility that frequent travelers need. Number 2. MATEIN Rolling Laptop Bag. The MATEIN Rolling Laptop Bag is a versatile and spacious option designed for travelers and professionals who need more than just a laptop case. With oversized 7.1-inch rubber wheels, it ensures smooth, stable rolling across various terrains, including stairs. The telescopic rod extends up to 40 inches, making it convenient for taller individuals. Measuring 20 by 14.6 by 11 inches, it is larger than typical carry-on requirements and must usually be checked in. But this extra space provides ample room for 3 to 5 days of travel. The padded laptop compartment supports laptops up to 17.3 inches, while buckled straps inside the main compartment secure clothes, toiletries, or work essentials. Organizational pockets throughout the bag provide space for smaller items like pens, headphones, and chargers. A standout feature is the insulated front pocket that can hold several beverage cans and keep them cool for up to 3 hours, adding practicality for long journeys. It also features a built-in USB port for convenient device charging on the go, though a power bank is required. The anti-theft design includes dual zippers with a combination lock for extra protection. Made of water-resistant 900D polyester with reinforced panels, this bag is built to withstand wear and tear. At 6.25 pounds, it strikes a good balance between sturdiness and portability. Number 3. Samsonite Rolling Laptop Bag. The Samsonite Rolling Laptop Bag combines sleek style with trusted durability, making it a go-to option for professionals who want a reliable travel companion. Crafted with nylon fabric and accented with vinyl trim, it has a professional appearance while maintaining resistance against water and wear. Designed for convenience, the interior includes a padded tech panel that securely accommodates laptops up to 15.6 inches and tablets up to 9.7 inches, ensuring electronics are safe and easily accessible. For organization, the bag features an exterior front pocket with 2 slip compartments and a pen sleeve, perfect for quick access to essentials during busy commutes or meetings. Inside, 2 zippered accessory pockets allow secure storage for items like chargers, portable drives, or business accessories. The thoughtful addition of side pockets enhances practicality, providing space for smaller personal items or a water bottle, while the right pocket includes a built-in key leash for added security and easy key retrieval. Another excellent feature is the Smart Sleeve, which conveniently slides over the handle of upright luggage, making it ideal for seamless mobility when traveling with multiple bags. Compact and lightweight, the bag offers smooth handling, making it especially useful for professionals who travel frequently or commute daily. Number 4. Alpine Briefcase Rolling Laptop Bag. The Alpine Briefcase Rolling Laptop Bag offers a balance of sophistication, security, and practical design for professionals on the go. Measuring 19 inches by 17.25 inches by 9-inch overall, it provides ample interior space with smooth 360-degree spinner wheels that make maneuvering through airports, offices, and city streets effortless. The dedicated laptop pocket fits devices up to 16 inches and includes a strap to keep them secure, while the fully lined interior ensures both protection and professional presentation. Inside, the bag also includes a file divider for legal-size documents, small slip pockets, a pen holder, and a zipper compartment to neatly organize accessories such as chargers, cables, or business cards. Security is a highlight, as the main compartment closes with 2 durable gunmetal tone combination locks that can be individually set, giving peace of mind for storing confidential documents or valuable electronics. On the exterior, it features side pockets with flap closures for quick storage and a front slip pocket with a latch closure for items that need to be accessed frequently. Constructed with 1680 denier ballistic nylon, this rolling briefcase is built to withstand heavy use while maintaining a professional look, enhanced with faux leather trim on the carrying handle and exterior flaps. Number 5. Wenger Granada Pro Rolling Laptop Bag. The Wenger Granada Pro Rolling Laptop Bag is a premium option designed to blend Swiss-quality craftsmanship with convenience and functionality. Measuring just under 10 by 16.5 by 13.7 inches, it is compact yet spacious enough for professionals who need to carry essentials securely and comfortably. The foam-padded compartment provides excellent protection for laptops up to 15.6 inches, shielding them from bumps and shocks during travel. Its thoughtfully designed organization features include a quick pocket that provides immediate access to small essentials like passports, tickets, or smartphones, making it particularly practical for airport security lines or fast-paced commutes. The pass-through trolley sleeve allows the bag to slide over the handle of larger luggage, offering seamless travel convenience when managing multiple bags. For mobility, the secure lock handle extends smoothly and the easy glide wheels ensure quiet, effortless rolling, whether through office hallways or airport terminals. While it is not as large as some other rolling laptop bags on the market, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.